The world is powered by fossil fuels. This is a problem, as extensive evidence shows we need an alternative source of energy, and soon. Luckily, scientists are working on one way to help solve this. Pongamia pinnata, also known as Miletia pinnata, is native to many tropical and temperate countries in Asia, including India, China, Indonesia, and Australia. Pongamia is a legume. This is a type of plant that does not need nitrogen fertilizer because of a process known as nitrogen fixation. While many plants require continuous applications of nitrogen fertilizer to achieve high yields, Pongamia's nitrogen fixation abilities eliminate this need. This makes Pongamia more eco-friendly and more reliable at harvest than other plants. This tree has so much potential. In fact, some people call it the can-do tree. It can do salt tolerance, it can do bad soil, and you only need to water it for the first few years. This is due to the tree's deep taproot that allows it to eventually find its own source of water. Pongamia trees mature in 4 to 7 years and begin producing sizable harvests after 3 years. Mature Pongamia trees stand at 10 to 15 metres and annually produce between 10 and 20,000 seeds. Each of these weigh between 1.5 and 2 grams and contain 40 to 50% vegetable oil. Pongamia has the potential to produce about 5 tonnes of vegetable oil per hectare per year. This is revolutionary in comparison to what is possible with the soybean. In fact, Pongamia produces 10 times as much vegetable oil. This is why this tree has so much potential. This might sound like magic, but it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, harvest the Pongamia tree's pods and collect the seeds within. Step 2, process these seeds to collect oil. And step 3, refine this oil to produce biodiesel. 1, 2, 3, it's that easy. Step 1 is as easy as it sounds. All you need to do is harvest the Pongamia when it is ready. We recommend midsummer. Step 2 is straightforward as well. All you need to do is crush or cut the seeds to release the vegetable oil contained inside. For step 3, we need to get a little bit more technical. Fuel is just a dense packet of energy. The vegetable oil that we now have, thanks to steps 1 and 2, is such a packet. However, biodiesel is an even better one. So how do we get it? If you were to look really closely at Pongamia oil, you would see that it is made up of countless minuscule chemical chains. By breaking down and then rebuilding these chains, the substance changes and becomes biodiesel. Small changes can have big effects. For example, adding a hydrogen atom to 2 oxygen atoms results in water, which is nothing like either of these flammable gases. The same principle applies here. By changing the order and composition of these chains, vegetable oil becomes biodiesel. This is achieved by adding various solutions to the vegetable oil and putting them all through a machine. One such machine is the BioCube. Here is what Lawrence Baum, father of the BioCube, had to say.
Democratizing energy supply is important because it gives people independence. Small, poor countries that are always having to put their hand out. There's no dignity in that. It creates employment, it gives independence, it's sustainable. If you add up all of the various boxes that you wish to tick, I don't think there's a box you'd find empty with the BioCube.
Coupled with inventions such as the BioCube, Pongamia is a practical alternative to fossil fuels. Australia has hundreds of millions of hectares that could be used to grow this amazing native can-do tree. There's no reason why we can't start today. It's time to get planting.